Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Sonali Sharma from Vishwavigyan Kendra Barmer First, and today we are going to make a gnocchi. Gnocchi is basically an Italian pasta recipe, but we will include multiple millets in it so we can enhance its nutritive value and we can make it more palatable. So in this recipe we'll include multiple millets like sorghum, pearl millet, barley, maize, and important one is ragi. So by this mixing we can make a nutritive recipe and we can check out what we are making. So come, let's start. Now our gnocchis are made. Now we will make a chutney or a sauce for the gnocchis so it can add more taste to it. So I am making a chutney or a sauce, you can say, for this gnocchi, and I am taking all the local ingredients like kachri and spring onion which are available here, so we can make it a more tasty and more adding more value to the recipe. You can serve this to your child and your loved ones, and you can make it more nutritive. Thank you so much.